Where there is goodness, we provide shelter. Where there is anguish, we try as much as possible to bring joy. Where there is acute marginalization, we try to bring in inclusion. We have come that this gospel may nourish the souls of those without hope. They may nourish the hopes and the souls of those of them with nobody to turn to apart from thee. Don't turn us away in your anger. We have fallen short, of course, because we are sinful. We are born of flesh, and we have to be begged into your mercy. You lifted us up. You blessed us. You made us whole once again. And we are here to preach this gospel, that your name and your name alone will be praised. That Biafra will come in the end. That everything that lives on the surface of this very planet will look towards the east. Until we can see the goodness of this dear God, we can see his holiness, we can see his might and his strength, because even if the whole world were to conspire against your creation, you are creation yourself, you will prevail against them. Come and fight for us, because we cannot fight you. Come and drive away the enemies of your children, because they outnumber us. Come and restore your inheritance. Make us the guardians of your inheritance. We know who you are. We know the name that even the angels that surround you right now when they call you. We know how they worship you. Even and the most in Abusia, we know that very well. Even with the master at the end, only you and you alone will accept every of our prayer. Anytime we bend down on our bended knees to pray to you, anytime we lift up our hands in prayer or in praise, anytime we cry for joy or in pain and anguish, because we are seeking one favor or the other before you. Where there is goodness, we provide shelter.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night. It depends on your location and where you are hearing our voice from. My greetings from me from here is good evening. I welcome you all, men and women. I welcome you all, good lovers of freedoms. I say welcome you all this evening. I say welcome. Please, as I'm welcoming you, welcome others. And please, do well to subscribe to our channel, USB Gospel. That is where we worship. That is where we live. So do well to subscribe, on your notification buttons, and drop your comment, whatever you think about our videos. Drop your comment and let us know. As you are doing that, I say may God bless you. Let's move with very fast. Today, our topic today is going to be that the gospel must be preached and the truth must be told. You know, that is why I'm here today. And some people may say, why do you say that? Yeah, let me start from here. First, I want to start with the people into Biafran government. People who are into the government, who knows what is going on. First, I want to say this. I doesn't, because some people might be saying, where are you? Are you this side or this? I'm not in this side or the other side. What I stand for, what is the truth, and let the truth be said, and let good things be done. Because of the only three things I pay my allegiance to in this, once this struggle is concerned. Number one is the supreme leader, Mazi Nnamdi Ukwu Kalu. That is the only person my allegiance goes to. Because of this is when you call people that have legacy. You know, people that knows what they are fighting for, people that stand for the truth, people that stand for justice, equity, and fairness, people that stand, then doesn't wave like when you have water waves, like a storm, then doesn't wave. He stand where he stand. This is the person I follow his footsteps. That is the person I pay my allegiance to. The supreme leader, Mazi Nnamdi Ukwu Kanu, Kamanu himself. That is my number one allegiance. My number two allegiance is to Mazi Simon Ekpa Njoko. Because of this Simon Ekpa Njoko, which is the PM, have followed the footsteps of our leader, and from what he's doing, onye nwere anya na-afụ ya, onye nwere ntị na-anụ ya. Ya bụrụ na ikpu ishi, ị na-anụ ife, ị naghị anụ ife, ị na-afụ ụzọ. So that is why my allegiance goes to him as well, goes to the PM, Mazi Simon Ekpa Njoko, because of him is a man who stands for the truth. Anybody that stands for the truth, that stands for justice, equity, and fairness, that is the person I pay my allegiance to. These two men I mentioned here are men, when you talk about timbers and calibers, these are the people who live as an example that people will follow, who live a legacy that people will live tomorrow. That is the people my allegiance goes to. Number third, my allegiance goes to the government itself, which is the government of Biafra, not individual. The government, the structures that makes up the government. That is where my allegiance goes to. The structure of the government, not an individual person, no. The individual person I have my allegiance to, I have called their names, and they say what, why? Because of these people are people who stand with truth and honest. So that is how things are supposed to be. Because of sometimes I see people making videos saying that some generals on the ground, that they are not giving this one money, that this one have to be, money must to be, that we have to pay allegiance, that we have to be under their command. No. I want to tell that person, no. I myself, I knows how it goes. No, it's not so. Because of our leader, Mazi Nnamdi Ukwu Kanu, said that the people he's calling for this journey, because this is a strong journey and it's a tough assignment, it's a tough task, that the people he's calling on this journey, on this task, are the people that we are choosing before they were born, that can sacrifice anything sacrificable. That is the people he's calling to back him up on this journey. Not people that will be waving, then we stand here today, tomorrow, then we stand there, then we stand like that. No. He's talking about men with integrities and honest. Men that have integrity, Men that they are honest in their life. One word is their word is their word. You call them anytime, they stand in one word. This is the people that the leader, the supreme leader, Mazen Namdi Ukalo, is calling on. For the men on the ground that they were talking about, oh, money have to, I'm asking this God, because of what I'm seeing now is just exactly what happens during our leader, Mazen Namdi Ukano, the supreme leader. When he was kidnapped in Kenya, this one carry money, he ran this side. I don't want to mention names. This one, they say, this one sees money. What they are fighting was money. The other people were busy illuminating many of the men. On that phase, the whole thing were happening. Master Simon Ekpa show up in this picture. In the process of all these things, Simon Ekpa show up in the picture, trying to rescue what he can rescue. Because of when this happened with our leader, many people, all these guys parading around, we are freedom fighter, money, hunger people. They are so hungry for money, hungry for power. They are not truthful with their word. One mother, take you can see Sunday, no ha. How can people will be following this kind of people? This is not the kind of people that our leader called for. He called for men that is honest and truthful. Not men that come to this journey to enrich their pockets, to destroy what he has suffered for, and he's still suffering up to today. He's still in DSS dungeon. Are you talking about the PM? Let me go down, because now I'm on the PM side. The same situation now called on Mazi Simon Ekpa's side. Look at what is going on now. The group also, like this, then teared into two. This one grabbed money and ran away with his own gang. The other one, now the other side say that, they don't have money to be forming men on ground, that they are starting everything what afresh. Just exactly what Mazi Simon Ekpa did. You understand? So now they are still calling people to be contributing more money. Understand? Yes, it's good to call for contribution. But I have one question. One mother, akpata etufuo ejikweghị abụọ garanya. Bụ na atụ mbụ otu n'ogwe, atụ abụ otu n'ogwe, amịa ọzọkwa. Nwanne mmadụ, ọ bụkwa ha ogwe ka amịara akọ. Ọ bụghị ogwe ka na-amịra akọ. Why am I saying this? Because of why I'm saying this, why I'm saying this, because of I said that today's program is going to be different. Why I'm saying this, anybody in on a group A, in on a group B, in on a group C, anyhow you people like group yourselves, let the truth be told. Because of these people contributing this morning are all human beings. Remembered what Bob Marley said. I'm telling everybody who is involved. Remember what Bob Marley said. He said that you can fool the people, but to remember, you cannot fool the people all the rest of their life. That's what I want to drop for every one of them who is in the corridor of this power struggle they are doing. So you want to, when people continue contributing on this other side now, tomorrow something happen now, our people now, another person will come up from nowhere and start saying, it's these people, it's the other people. My man, we can't be living with excuses. No, we are not here to live with excuses up and down. People have contributed money, life, everything on this journey. So if you know that, I don't want to call them because I'm seeing everything that is going on, but I just want to be like a little bit, I want to be sincere. You know, if you know that you are involved doing all these things, you know that you are not truthful in this journey, it better you just quit. It will be more better for you. Because of this, our people that is contributing this money, many people are in the sick bed. One day, because of people at home are sitting at home, I say kudos for people at home who make sure that every Monday they remember the supreme leader, Mazen Namdu Kukal, and sit at home. Those people are contributing their own quarter in this journey that we are back on. Secondly, where I'm saying this is because of people who say that men on the ground. Men on the ground, let your work speak for you. Before people started following Mazen and the Kano, his word speaks. Ololoro, melende madin jesuye. Mazi Simon Ekpa, bololoro, mele jesuye. So if you are men on the ground, you know, and I see what they go bunye, but when the mother, men are men. In my financial, if you know that you are really choosing on this journey, you are those people that our leader is talking about. You are not here to enrich in your pocket and let me pie my pocket and run away on this journey. No. If you know that you are those kind of people who come here to enrich their pocket, it's better quit. You better leave. How man April before also because men are coming. Men are coming. You better leave equipped. Just quit from this journey. It's better for you in order. Why I'm saying this because of somebody might fall now. Are you a general on the ground and if my financial the first materials you need to start work. You want to go materials, you want to give you need each will now roar. One the mega agaro may is an go as guy man. As a man on the ground, in my financial, the thing that you are looking for is in your ground there. Or on a baby there. The people who have to put more pressure, like we, anyone in the not abroad, our job here, once we are coming online, our job here is to be propagating the gospel, the truth, and telling the world what is going on there. But the main heat supposed to be coming out from that place, that ground. Let me take one example for you guys. Do you guys remember when the great Avengers was doing their evangelism? The great Avengers, when they were doing their work. You remember how the great Avengers works? I want to ask the whole Biafran, did any one of you said now that I did contribution for great Avengers for them to be doing what they were doing there? Is what they were doing that make international community to be involved because of them is hitting everybody because of they are giving heat. Just group of people gather themselves, arm themselves, finance themselves. If they can do that, you as a general in the whole, you people, now we have what we call 40 states, and I like it like that. Each state, let them have their own way, the generals. Everybody protect your state. If you don't protect your state, that is your problem. Give them the materials you need for the initial work. What you are looking for is in your ground there. Or if any all these guys since now generals. What is the system? This arms struggle inside function? Are you sure that you're really a military man, or you have getting experience of military at all? You know, to everything. If the state that is suppressing you is in your ground there, Avengers, how did they raise their money? All from that in the north, all from that oil and the gas. If moving abroad, like if you bring a man into this journey, do a general, how things work, who know how to operate. But man, this money to equip yourself and to equip everything, you will take it from there. The money not there. Mbe mere heat, mande nabia me oil go, munye nabia me gas so, mbe heat mbera there, they cannot carry anything and go out. The person they put on name, but look at the whole ground now. Everywhere Jucha know you, everywhere Joe know you. Your so-called leaders, your governors are now busy doing whatever thing, if everything, doing whatever rubbish they like. Your governors, if you had all those ones, youth, they are arming you to just like what Shegumi said. New colonialism. You are hearing new colonialism. So you are thinking when a white man will come from his land and start colonizing. No, he's going to use your brother, somebody that looks like you. I will come for that side. I will not go that side because of I will come that side and tell you how these people operate. Because of I know the reason why I will not go there, because of I don't want this video to be so long. You know? So, but I'm telling everybody who say that you are the men on the ground, saying that if you don't send money, people don't contribute money. My question today is, I want to ask all Biafrans, did you contributed money to Vengeance when Vengeance were doing their work in a riverine areas? Did you contribute to them? Don't you see how if you these guys in where how do you different kind of people then how to prepare kwado very well. But this one now, even opportunity which is plus to you. Now they see abroad. I know abroad ne kupute ne wote cash etinye on top. Give one on wogum puse general listening guy man. Not the ground. So you know, in my whole thing that you survive. Okay, now this journey that you embark it on yourself. So you can't have motive you will survive or will maneuver things with your men. Let me leave it for here for now. From me, from here is good evening. Thank you so much. Anywhere you are watching this video from, please subscribe to our channel and share this video and make it to be viral. Drop your comment and tell me what you think about this video. As you are doing that, I say may God bless you. From me, from here is good evening.